So we just finished all 5 doors, 5 one-piece doors, new hinge arms, new springs. Let's start at the beginning. So today, we're out here in Long Beach. We're gonna replace out these current garage doors, put in something a little bit more modern. So right now, we're just gonna prep everything up. Springs, hardware, hinges. Now we take out this old door. And these new doors we're installing, fully insulated, steel back, modern flush panel design. And once we're done, we always do our final walkthrough. Check on everything. The balance, make sure the door's working properly. That's it. These doors come with some protective film. We're actually going to leave it on for a minute because they're going to do some painting. Once they're done with it, we'll come back out, just rip it all off.